in method or in technique of the string. Let's talk about the in method or the in technique of the string, how it works according to the definition that we have. In technique is used to find the existence of a character or a sequence of characters in a string. It returns the output in Boolean form. In this kind of procedure, what we are doing, we want to find the existence of a character or a sequence of characters, means the combination of characters in a string. Its output will be in the Boolean form. It returns output in the Boolean form. If the character or the sequence of the character exists, it returns true. If it does not exist, it returns false in output. That's what in method does. Let me check an example here. Example number 26. Club equals to Manchester United. Print of Manchester in club. By running the program, in the output we will get true. Look, I have a variable club. It equals to Manchester United. Now print of Manchester in club. Here I have used the in technique. This in is the method, the technique to check that whether Manchester United exists in the given expression or not. What is club? Club equals to Manchester United. So does Manchester exist in club? Yes. If it exists, it is going to return true. If it does not exist, it will return false. Since Manchester United exists in club, Manchester in club means that does Manchester exist in club? Yes, it exists. Therefore, in the output we got true. So the output will be always in the Boolean form. What is Boolean form? Boolean form is the true, false. That's what we do in technique, in procedure. We check that whether that specific stuff, that specific character, that specific sequence of characters exists or not. If you want to check the united here, you have to write united inside the quotes. United in clubs. It will return true. Let me check another example here. Example number 27. Club equals to Manchester United. Print of Manchester in club. False. It always check that whether this character or the sequence of the characters is in lowercase or in uppercase. If you check the original expression, club equals to Manchester United, here M is in capital, it is in uppercase, but we have written here Manchester where M is in small, in lowercase. So Manchester with the M in lowercase does not exist in club here. There's a difference, there's a big difference. Here we have M in capital, here the M is in small. So Manchester does not exist in Manchester United. If you write M in capital, then it will return true. But since we have written it in small, so it is a case sensitive method. It always reads the lowercase and the uppercase of the character. Therefore, this stuff, this sequence of character does not exist here. So in the output we got false. It is false. It returns false in Boolean form because Manchester with the M in small does not exist. Manchester with the M in capital exists, but with the M in small does not exist. So after running the program, you will get false in the output. Example number 28. Now to check a specific character in a string. Program equals to Python. Print of h in program, it returns true. Look, I have a variable where I gave the name program. Program equals to Python in the quotes. To apply the in technique, we are going to write print of h in program. Does h exist in the program? What is program? Program is the Python. It equals to Python from here up to here. Does h exist there? Yes, we have h here. Therefore, in the output, it returns true in Boolean form. If we write a character which is not existed in the program, then it will return false. But since h exists here in Python, therefore it returns true in the final output.